people. Open the door. Oh. Hi, good morning, people. Now I get to vlog off of the hill because I'm gonna get drive. Gonna be father gonna bring me. So me shine. And stuff. My face bump up, so I have to rub some I have what name? Gen Care thingy. So I rub that on my face and yeah, me have to go to work now. I wake up kind of late. But I'm going to work now, and later on today I have a meeting again. If you're interested, you can subscribe to my business channel. I teach a lot of stuff on branding and marketing over there. You can subscribe to that. But I'm heading to work now, and I'll see you guys. My yard nice, no? Fat and nice. So this is me signing out until later on. Face bump up. Me scratch, watch out. My jaw.
Woman, I see that look in your eyes. I got to look out, girl. And still, remember, and you know, tonight I do the regular treatment there. We're going to look a bit above 3. Maybe 3:30 or 4. Don't mind tell me.
You know microwave I put the mango?
Yes, but then pretty much microwave, you know. Yeah, we put that in for ripe. Record, Erica?
Yes.
Yeah. Can't put this pan in the Skyline.
This guys, you need to comment below and tell me what I need to use for my face. My face broke out, no I'm to me, like my pies.
I'm so cute.
My face, I don't know pies, my face, me like just start break out. I'm gonna put a Gen Care something on my face this morning so that make me a sweat. Hopefully it can help me. And things when me have issues. So yesterday we're gonna one supermarket. This response me for last night. I see one girl go Montego Bay High. That's one I top school in Mobile. And she go come see to me. See her come see at one college in Montego Bay. And she was in the supermarket packing bag. And she just feels so demotivated packing my bag. She don't say nothing but I couldn't tell it on her face. The government on the two out order. We don't need to fix there something here. And young people, when they need to go up on the internet, there's a bunch of ways they can make money on the internet. When I have a laptop, but no. The browse run on Facebook. When I buy a plan, put it on WhatsApp. I can call it good with my list though. Can't get you mango tree. Mango the body. Can't get you. I'll see you guys later on today.
Peace. I'm so weird.
What's my third man? Come and bump up. Jamaica Skylife in the building. So, I'm not buying no food today, so we're just gonna eat something regular from the commissary and chill for a bit before we go back in office because it's a month end, and when a month end, a whole heap of things we have to get done and get out of the way. Later on today, maybe I'm gonna go to a meeting with some guys later on today and things, but today I go on bill. What's my favorite one? Oh my, okay. I don't know what I'm to my favorite. I don't know. What is it? What do you mean talking about? You say something about dead.
You're gonna put them on scratch me.
So when your foot bottom and scratch, somebody ever dead? Papi sure. Did you know that when your foot bottom is scratching, somebody ever dead?
What are English?
Yes. Yes, I'm gonna have my lunch. Nothing much is happening. Nothing much. Did I say good morning, Skylifers? Good afternoon, Skylifers? I didn't. So, welcome to Skylife TV, and you are our super subscriber. Subscribe now. So you become one of our super subscribers for this week. And welcome to the Skylife family. And yeah, so subscribe so we can build a good, clean, neat Skylife family. I hate you ever go on Facebook. I get added to groups. Like I get beer message. Like I don't know how that works and how to get out. Like seriously. Why they add people on Facebook in a group and then ask you to add?
I'm not knowing people, you know.
Then are they in this group and I don't see what them attack say.
Not attacking, I just pay people a left.
No, so like you see them leaving. You get the notification. I see my pa IMO, the same thing happened to me the other day. Me get had in a long group. Me say what the hell? So yeah, so basically as I say later on.
She don't sure about everything.
She don't have any.
Yeah, only for corn.
Later on I go when I leave work I'm gonna go to the meeting. But still not cut me ear yet. I'm gonna try to go down one ear just to start up my ear, but I don't know what I'm to my face. Or even when I turn my car joke me. Anyways, yeah, gonna go to the meeting later. I'm not gonna get to do my hair today because I want to be there with those guys to get set up and stuff. And I'm going to go home and maybe I do some work on my site and stuff. Yeah, so that's basically it. If you're interested in business like marketing online, learning how to run your business online, I have a business channel. Normally on YouTube you have persons have like a beauty channel, then a vlog channel, or a comedy channel, and then a vlog channel. Well, as a Jamaican, I must say I'm the first one that I see online that has a business channel, a channel for business, and then a vlog channel. Because oftentimes when persons are online, you think that they are different from you. I am not different from you. Maybe I'm putting in more work than you are. I am putting more, you know, basically more work than you online to really brand myself. My business channel is about how to run your network marketing business online, because I'm a network marketer also, and learning how to run my business online is a great challenge. Other network marketers who are maybe struggling to run them business online. So that's that. But I think I'm the first Jamaican who actually has a business channel, a YouTube business channel, and then a vlog channel. Jamaican then are really attracted to like business. Most Jamaicans, like they're more attracted to like outside the channel, like dirty means they will subscribe quicker, find you quicker, something like that. They're attracted to like makeup and fashion and stuff like that. But I'm attracted to business, and I know that other Jamaicans here online are attracted to business also, and that's why I am filling that gap so we can have a cool community to communicate and help each other grow, because I don't know everything, and I'm sure I can learn something from somebody else on this channel, because I have been learning from other people that subscribe to my business channel that is Jamaican, so that is pretty good. Yeah, I must say me can chat. But the struggle is real, and as Jamaicans, I think we should really understand what the internet is. What the internet is. What do we have at our fingertips as the internet in terms of working online, learning how to market your business online and stuff like that. Because in an organization, I watch NCB Capital Quest, and one of the things that they talk about is marketing. They want most of their money, the money that the investors are going to invest in their business, most of it is them are put it towards advertising. And if you as a startup entrepreneur know how to advertise your business using social media, free tools, think about how much you can grow. And if you just invest maybe a little money online, how much you can grow your business from a startup just by you learning and knowing how to market. So you don't have to hire a marketer, and you know how to use tools like Fiverr.com to get your stuff put together. Fiverr.com is a great site. A lot of people don't know about Fiverr, but I'm going to leave a link below. You can check out Fiverr. You can get everything or almost anything done on Fiverr for $5. You can even work on Fiverr.com. I work on Fiverr.com also, right? Being a network marketer, a marketing coach, and an entrepreneur doesn't mean that I am different from you. I can't stress enough. And that's why I started to do these vlogs, so people understand that I live a day-to-day life. I am working towards working from home full-time. I'm not there yet, but I'm still working towards it. I do make income offline, and you can make it too, because if I can, you can too. And that is what my channel is about. Hi, good day, people. Today I did a video about the camera cut off, my battery went dead. So I did go the venue today to meet with some persons, but I'm not gonna be there. Others will be there, but I'm not gonna be there because I'm not feeling well. I don't know what's wrong. I may have a breakup. I wonder if my poison or something. So I go home, go see if I can lay down, watch my face. You can see them? So I go home, go try and get some rest, because I'm going to bed like after 12 last night. And you know, so when nobody not get enough rest, so other complications come with that. So I go home early bed and try and see if I can go to bed by 9-10 o'clock. By 9-10 o'clock to get some rest and stuff. But today when I did that, the camera cut off. So that's why I just cut off like that and thing. So I'm not going to go into the venue. I'm heading to, I think I'm gonna call my drive to come for me. And I feel hungry too. I need to get something to eat. I feel hungry, man. You know, I'll get something to eat before I reach home. I don't eat again. Craving and stuff. And so that's basically that. I feel bad on me can't make it to a meeting, but I gotta do what you gotta do. In life, your health come first. Everything else come after. Your health and safety come first. Anyways, I talk to you guys, skylifers, later on. So peace out. Until then.